Hi, my lovely Aquarians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Aquarians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of September 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Aquas, while shuffling for you guys, two things were coming repeatedly. Were for some of you guys, there's going to be a new opportunity coming your way in terms of your career, new job, new business opportunity. Maybe promotion, okay, something which will bring in a lot of money, okay, lot of money and abundance and prosperity, okay. For sure, some of you guys are going to have a new opportunity, but I feel that there could be a situation wherein you'll have to relocate. If you take this job, you'll have to relocate, and that's the reason why you are in a kind of dilemma whether or not you want to take this opportunity. I also feel that some of you guys are trying to decide something, okay, arrive at a decision. Maybe you guys are planning travel, you guys are planning a vacation, or go somewhere. Could be overseas travel as well, but you guys are definitely finding out more information about something, researching, doing your due diligence, or trying to arrive at a decision, trying to make some decision, okay. That is what was coming through very, very strongly, guys. And with that, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys in this beautiful month of September 2022. The star, yeah, your own energy, Aquarian energy. Yes. Interesting. See, the energy at the bottom of the deck is 10 of Pentacles, which again talks of lot of, see, Ace of Pentacles. I have lost the count of times I have seen Ace of Pentacles while shuffling for you guys. Definitely there is going to be something that is going to bring in lot of money. For some of you guys, there could be this money could also come in the form of a property deal, or your investments maturing, or through an inheritance, okay. You might receive this money through inheritance as well, but I see lot of money coming your way, Aquas, lot of money. And when I say lot, I really mean a lot, okay. Yes, some of you guys are going to start something from ground zero. I think that you guys might take this new opportunity, new career, pursue this new job opportunity is what I'm getting. Starting from ground zero is what I'm getting, okay. And lot of abundance, basically I see lot of abundance coming your way. Anyway, with that, let's get started. Are you able to see the cards? I think you are. Yeah. So guys, in your recent past, you have shown up, that is the Aquarian energy, star energy has shown up. I feel that you guys were kind of held up in some situation, okay. You were kind of stuck in some situation, a long pending situation. Probably could be anywhere between a period of 8 to 10 months. And you guys were kind to you guys were kind to not kind to you guys were kind of trying to work through this situation. You were trying to get out of this situation is what I'm getting, okay. It could be a very taxing situation, guys, wherein you were really feeling very helpless and very stuck, okay. And probably you guys are trying to heal over that situation is what I'm getting. Interestingly, I feel that whatever this energy was, okay, it is spilling in your current energies as well. Okay, there still is some sort of conflict that you are trying to resolve. There is still some sort of chaos and some sort of unresolved issue, which is kind of keeping you awake at night. Okay, which is kind of making you restless, sleepless. It is putting you in overthinking mode. And see how this eight of swords is followed by nine of swords. Okay, and there is five of swords. Lot of conflict I see, lot of ego battle is what I see over here. Whoever is involved in this situation, okay, I feel that these clashes are more stemming out of egos. Okay, either ways, it is pulling your energies down, and it's really making you very anxious and worried and sleepless is what I'm getting. Strong air energy coming through, guys. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and I see another energy, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and then there is Aries that is showing up. Okay, for some of you guys, I'm moving on to your future. Okay, very nice. See that there is King of Pentacles and there is Emperor at the bottom. Guys, you could be dealing with someone who is sitting at the position of an authority. Okay, maybe this person could be related to any official department. Okay, police or a lawyer maybe. Okay, this person could also be a little elder to you. Okay, kind of a father figure whom you are consulting, whom you are taking advices, or whom you are confiding into. Okay, this could be your boss as well. Okay, I would definitely want to clarify what this King of Pentacles and the Emperor is all about. I will definitely clarify. Let's quickly see what this is about. Please tell me what the combination of King of Pentacles and Emperor is. Guys, the World card has been showing up a couple of times. I really feel, guys, there is going to be some situation for some of you guys. There's going to be a job offer that is going to require you to travel overseas. Some of you guys might have an on-site opportunities, or basically, in a nutshell, you need to travel in order to pursue this new opportunity that is coming your way. For that, you might take help of a father figure or someone who is sitting in a position of authority. Maybe it could be a case wherein you are having some problems with your visa processing or your paperwork or documentation work, wherein this person is going to come and help you is what I'm getting. Okay, definitely this is a workplace situation wherein this Emperor here, okay, this Emperor is going to help you reach your financial goals or meet your financial commitments is what I'm getting. Okay, that's the thing I'm getting. This Emperor, whoever it is, now this could be a male or female. Okay, it could be a male or female. Remember, we talk about energies and we do not talk about genders. Okay, so whoever this person in authority is, he or she is going to act as a catalyst in taking your things ahead. Okay, or removing blocks from your road or path is what I'm getting over here. Okay, yes, definitely something related to someone's career. Some of you guys might also start a new business or venture in online space. Okay, over internet, over World Wide Web. Okay, that's also what I'm getting over here. I also feel that for some of you guys, there is going to be someone. Okay, someone who is very mature and very authoritative and very kind of a strict person at that, who is going to help you come out of this situation is also what I'm getting. Okay, whoever this emperor is, this emperor is very very instrumental in getting you out of some situation for some of you guys, and for another group of people this person is going to be your legal aid, okay, who will make things work or set in motion or in progress for some of you guys. Yes, I'm very sure about that. In your advice there is King of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. For some of you guys there could be a situation wherein you are you are now, there are two cases I'm getting over here. Okay, one is that some of you guys are being extremely emotional about something or someone, and you guys are feeling that things are not progressing at a pace that you want, things are really taking long time, but the advice is to be patient. Okay, to be really patient. Even if you cannot see things, that does not mean that things are not happening. Things are definitely progressing, albeit a bit slowly, but yes, things are happening in the things are happening in the background. You are asked to have patience, you are asked to have a grip and control over your emotions. Okay, oh, that reminded me, while shuffling I saw an interesting combination of Queen of Cups and Strength card, which gave me that feeling wherein someone is asked or someone is probably required to keep a hold or keep a tab or control over his or her emotions. Okay, that's the kind of message I was getting. You really need to control your emotions is what I was getting. Okay, now emotions could be anything, like feeling sad emotion, happy emotion, angry. Okay, but whatever it is in excess you need to control, that is what I was getting. Okay, for some of you guys you might also feel that your creative projects or your creative venture is not taking pace or not moving ahead, but know that things are happening in the background, guys. Patience is what is asked. The Star card, by the way, which has been showing so many times in your energy, it's your own energy, it's your Aquarian energy. It also is asking you to be patient, to bring balance in the situation. Okay, and give it some time. Okay, give it some cooling time. If at all you have not been keeping well, guys, of late, focus on healing yourself. Okay, the Star energy is also about healing in particular. Okay, now this could be physical healing as well. Okay, so make sure you're taking very good care of yourself and not rushing into things, or not being very impatient in terms of recovering. Okay, that's the message I'm getting very strongly, guys. Now let's quickly pull some cards from this beautiful deck, my favorite deck. The answers you need are coming. There's something that has fallen to. Give me a minute. Don't let your past hold you back, and the answers you need are coming. Definitely, guys, be a little patient. Even if you are not seeing things immediately, doesn't mean that things are not happening or not working in your favor. Just be patient. All the answers that you are seeking will come to you, and do not let your past hold you back. Okay, for some of you guys, whatever it is, whatever that has happened in the past, whatever this situation was that was keeping you stuck, that was keeping you awake at night, take whatever this situation was as a learning lesson. Okay, World card also signifies major karmic event. So whatever this was or whatever has happened to teach you a lesson. I don't mean it in a wrong sense, but definitely there were some karmic lessons to be learned, and you make sure that you have learned those. Okay, and do not prevent it or do not let it keep on moving ahead happily in life is what I'm getting over here. And at the bottom of the deck is communication is key. Well, that is self-explanatory. There's a lot of Gemini energy coming through. Full moon in Gemini and new moon in Gemini too. If at all you have Gemini in your birth chart or are dealing with a fellow Gemini, communicate clearly. Gosh, this card is flipped again, which means that the angels want you to hear this message. Whatever the situation is, make sure that you are communicating your point very clearly. And guys, Wait card. Okay, now this card had flipped right at the beginning when I had started shuffling this deck. So the angels really in bold italics caps want you to have patience. Okay, they want you to wait, they want you to know that they are working for you in the background. Things are working in the background in your favor. All you need to do is have a little patience and wait for the right time. Okay, what a beautiful and powerful message, guys. What a beautiful and powerful confirmation is what I would say. I absolutely love when same things are confirmed over and over again in a reading. Okay, and which is happening in your case as well. Let's quickly pull some charms and conclude the reading. Wow, there's a ring. Some of you guys might either attend a wedding engagement or might be getting engagement or entering into a committed relationship. If that's the case, heartiest congratulations. There's a baby. Oh gosh, I absolutely love when I pull this charm. So guys, for some of you guys, if you are expecting a baby in your family, heartiest congratulations, guys. I feel extremely happy whenever I pull this charm. Or there could be some decision that might involve kids in the mix. Okay, so there could be some important decision event happening surrounding or involving kids in the mix. Okay, that could also be the case. Make a wish. Okay, again the star energy has to show its presence. For some reason you're just hijacking the reading, guys. Aquarian energy. So make a wish, see your dreams come true, chase your dreams is what the charm and the energies are telling. Okay, definitely a time for fulfilling your dreams or seeing your dreams come true is what I'm getting. And the initials A and H, if at all they mean anything to you. Okay, A and H. Okay, so Aquarians, I leave it at that. I hope you like the reading. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, share your experiences, drop comments. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.